Hagane ke jingelang labi syaru ya bon gisenjam bela shimban penkela ya ke kamri jingri hak jela kat kom ke juk start ke bamenta ke bakentop ya ke jingshna ke College of Veterinary Science hak dam kulai benelek ben peniar ke jing treka mi ke kor digital hak ben ajing sumar ke jingri bat ke jing kenteu kerdan ke jing tei ban la ben penklan ya ke jing penmi ke jingri bat ben kenteu ke kamai jing kinongra la pente bagatenat kala ai ke livestock health certificate dak bashle online nadu unailor arajar arpusan ba kejing yai beteng ya kejing ai inject badan yadai kejing pang na kebentak kakot kakya ya kejing ri hakeleng kejela lapan pauru baka kamri siar ba risnyang kilong kebekong san ba kom kilat kamai hakit hanong kendong jong kejela letai ru halor kejing penyang ya ki animal check post hari boy bat West Garo Hills bantek lakam kejing pang kimrat ki bawana syabar kejela kejing pethamai ki farm jong sorkar kejing bo ya ke regional cement production laboratory bat cement bank kejing shna ya ke animal shelter ha arku armer narang ribhoi hapo jong ka Rashtriya Gokul Mission bat kiwei.
And we looked at the overall functioning of the department. At the same time, we worked towards creating specific targets and goals, especially when it comes to the overall demand and supply and measures on how to reduce the gap between the demand and supply. And second, to ensure that the overall livelihood opportunities that are there for our farmers, how we could enhance it, how we could give opportunities to entrepreneurs to come into this sector and create value. So all of these aspects were discussed, and how government should intervene in it. All the details were discussed in this aspect. At the same time, we also looked into the support structure and system required for it, whether it's the manpower shortage that's there in the department, or the supply of feed, or the vaccination program, and important infrastructures like the veterinary hospital. All of these aspects were discussed in detail, and in the coming weeks, we will again further review the plan of action and how we will move forward in those aspects.